Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Is your girl, she is back again. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. And please, before you start watching this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell, because that is how you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. For my new and old subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. I do appreciate you guys a lot. I love you all. Thank you again. Okay guys, let's get into this video. So today's video is the question that I get a lot from people on how I do my DEY mask. So I have a full tutorial for you guys today, from the beginning to the end. Please grab your cup of tea and sit down, relax, and enjoy watching this video, because you're gonna learn from this on how I do my DEY mask. Okay, I will see you guys very soon on my next vlog. I love you all. Bye. This is my boiling water in the fire. I'm gonna take it off and put another pot on top. And this is my onion. I'm gonna pour a bit on my measuring cup. You will see in a while. And here it is. And I'm gonna pour the onion on my pot. You can see that to make the consistency of the onion, because the onion was very thick. So that is how I am doing it. Because the lighter the onion is, the better it will be easier for me to mix my onion. And you can add a little bit if you want, as I did there. So that is it. This is my mixing plate, as you guys know, as usual. And this is my yogurt. Did you guys see what I did there? I put it on a strainer to get the juice out of the yogurt, so the liquid doesn't get into my face after I've used the yogurt to prepare my hair. So that is it. And I'm gonna grab my onion and take the tablespoon that I want, and I will add it to my yogurt. Did you guys see the consistency? That is lighter than before. So I'm gonna add my onion to the yogurt. Just take how many spoons you want. It doesn't matter. If you want 2, add 2. If you want 3, add 3. But I think I added more than 3 there. And I am going to mix it together. As you can see, it looks yummy, by the way. It looks so yummy. Oh, this is what my hair is enjoying. Oh, unbelievable. I can't believe that my hair is eating this. So I have finished with my mixing, and I'm ready to apply it to my hair. Hi you guys. So I will be applying my apron here, so the yogurt doesn't mess up with my body. I'm spraying my hair with some water, and I'm gonna pat my hair. I'm gonna pat it very neat to make it easier for me to walk through. So I'm gonna repeat it all over my hair. As you can see, I normally pat my hair into 4, and there you can see I was trying to trim the knots out of my hair, because for hair sometimes, you know. So spraying my hair again with some water. I didn't comb my hair, guys. You guys know I don't normally comb my hair. I do comb it when I have the PREPOO on my hair, because it makes it easier, or when I'm in the shower. that is the only place I comb my hair. Or sometimes if I have cream on and it's really damped, it's full of water, then I can comb it. I don't normally comb my hair when it's dry or things like that. No, I don't do that to my hair. So I'm gonna spray again and try to pick the knots that I have in my hair out, and that is it. I'm gonna repeat. You see, now I have started applying my yogurt. This is PREPOO. For those that normally ask me what is PREPOO, this is PREPOO. PREPOOing means applying something to your hair like oil, like yogurt that I have mixed. As you guys can see, that is PREPOO, because it make it easier for you to comb your hair, to walk through, and it make your wash day so easy. So this is PREPOO. I understand, because first time when I become natural I need to do the research on PREPOO, because I hear that word, I will say, oh, okay. I did the research and I said, okay, I get it right, just straight, like, okay, this is PREPOO. Then I tried it and my hair really loves it. Since then, I never stopped PREPOOing my hair, and I will never stop PREPOOing my hair before my wash. Sometimes I don't really feel like doing it, but I have to do it because it makes my life so much easier. So guys, that is it. That is PREPOO. As you all can see, I will be twisting my hair. I'm just going to keep on repeating the same, okay? So guys, as you can see, I am almost done. I am in the last part of my hair, the front, which is the one that is left now. So I will keep on applying and finger detangle in my hair. So that is it. It is fun, guys. It is really fun. I really like doing this, preparing my hair before I do my wash. And when people ask me, how did you get that coils? How did you do your hair? How did you maintain your hair? I would say I normally use yogurt on my hair, and they will laugh sometimes, like, what, yogurt? And I will say to them, yes, it's yogurt. I will say, how? Why? Because 4C hair likes yogurt a lot, because yogurt is made from milk, and 4C hair love milk. So that is the point. You can see, I'm gonna comb this so you guys can see it. I just did this as an example so you guys can see how easy it is. After you put the yogurt on your hair, preparing your hair, you see how easy it is combing your hair. It just make it so easy. It make your life so easy, guys. I can't imagine like combing your hair without no PREPOO, or combing your hair when it's dry, because a lot of people say that to me, that they comb their hair when it's dry. You can see there is not even hair, very few little hair in the comb. That is the little hair that came out of my hair. That is the secret of my growth. You see, I normally comb PREPOO or wet. I just take the part that I don't want out of the ends, because the more I trim my ends, the stronger my hair is. So keep on washing and enjoy. So guys, I am finished applying. You see, I am done. Now I will put plastic bag and wait for 45 minutes. So I have put on my shower cap. I'm gonna put a plastic bag just to make it more secure, and I will wait for 45 minutes and I will wash it off. Then I will condition my hair. So I am almost done with my condition. You can see I have put the conditioner all over my hair, just the front left, to show you guys how I am applying my conditioner. I am using the Cantu moisturizing creamy conditioner, by the way. So that is it, guys. After the condition, we wait for 30 or 35 minutes. I will wash it off again and style my hair as usual, as I want. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and share with your friends and family. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye for now.